let me, for the welcome address, invite Mr. Qasim Kasuri, who is the chair of SOT Events and CEO of the Beacon House School System, one of the world's largest school networks. He founded TNS Beacon House, a pioneer of project-based and inquiry-driven learning in Pakistan, and has expanded SOT into a global platform for future-focused dialogue. He's also the founder of Ambience, a boutique art hotel network, and a young global leader of the World Economic Forum. Mr. Qasim Kasuri.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Talat. Honorable Senior Minister of Punjab, Ms. Maryam Aurangzeb, Honorable Federal Minister for IT and Communications, Telecommunications, Ms. Shahzad Fatima Khwaja, Ministers, speakers, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you all for being here this morning. It's an honor and a privilege for me to welcome you to the 19th edition of SOT Events, Co-Creating Tomorrow, Humans, AI and the Future. As some of you may know and may have been wondering, we were hoping to welcome our Chief Minister today, but we are equally delighted to have with us the Senior Minister Punjab, the other second most important Maryam in the Punjab. So it's an honor to have you with us. And of course, the most trusted lieutenant of the Chief Minister, as we all know. So thank you for joining us. I'm going to start with a short video from Mrs. Kasuri, the chairperson of Beacon House, who unfortunately had to leave in a bit of, emergency and is not here with us today. So we'll start off with her video message, and then I will continue with my speech. Do we have the video message ready?
Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to the 19th edition of SOT Events, Co-Creating Tomorrow, Humans, AI and the Future. I would have loved to be there in person, but have unfortunately had to travel due to an urgent family commitment. Today's gathering is especially meaningful for us at Beacon House because we mark 50 years of a journey shaped by faith, courage, and commitment. It is befitting that the milestone comes in the same year that an SOT completes 25 years on a platform of inquiry, dialogue, and now ideas. The last 5 decades have taught us many things, but perhaps the most important is that learning is never static. The world changes, and so must the ways in which we prepare our young people to navigate it. Education cannot remain still while the world moves forward. It must remain in step with the forces shaping our society, our economy, and the lives of our children. As I look back to our beginnings in 1975 and the Beacon House of today, I am reminded that each generation faces its own challenges. Today we stand at a challenge that challenges humanity itself. Technology and artificial intelligence, in particular, are reshaping how we live and how we learn. This year's theme invites us to look ahead with clarity, curiosity, and adaptability. We cannot predict everything that lies ahead, but can prepare with purpose. Over my lifetime, I have seen education evolve through many phases, from handwritten registers to digital platforms, from blackboards to interactive screens, from computer laboratories to handheld devices, and a world connected through the internet. At Beacon House, we have always believed that technology should strengthen learning, not complicate it. That belief is guided our early steps, beginning with Beacon House Informatics in the 1990s, which introduced internationally recognized IT education. In the early 2000s, we develop the enhanced learning environment for our early years, followed by ETech, emerging technologies across the curriculum, which brought tools such as robots and digital microscopes into the classrooms. Over time, the efforts shaped what is now the Beacon House EdTech ecosystem across our schools. Through all of our commitment has remained constant. Technology must enrich and education, but it should never define it. Artificial intelligence offers extraordinary possibilities and equally responsibility and challenges for the educator. The question is not how powerful these tools become, but how wisely they are used. Education has always been a profoundly human endeavor. As learning becomes more digital, that human connection becomes even more important. Artificial intelligence must be coupled with human empathy. We also know what the future of learning cannot be separated from the future of our planet. Sustainability must guide how we design learning, how we build our campuses, and how we understand our responsibility to the world our children will inherit. And that is why SOT events continue to matter. Their conversations remind us that the future is not something to be predicted, it is something to be shaped collectively and with courage. I hope the conversation at this 19th edition of SOT events will continue to challenge, inspire, and help us think more deeply about the kind of world we want to create for our children, our society, and our planet. Thank you all for being here, part of this ongoing journey of co-creating tomorrow.